Welcome. India is an agricultural country and the Indian farmer are using tractors for farming and the tractors are reduces the efforts by the farmer in farming. Today's this video we are talking about India's top 5 tractors which reduces the farmer efforts in farming. Number 1. Number 1 Mahindra. It's come to the price range of 4,50,000 to 8,35,000 and its power comes to 25 to 65 HP with dry brake and its lifting capacity is 1600 kg to 2500 kg. Number 2 John Deere. Its price range is 5,40,000 to 7,50,000. Power range 25 to 120 HP. Its lifting capacity is 2318 to 2586 kg with oil brake. Number 3 Kubota. Its price range is approx 4,51,000 to 7 lakh. Power range 21 to 55 HP with oil brake and its lifting capacity is 1640 to 1950 kg. 3 Sonalika tractors. Its price range is approx 5,75,000 to 8,40,000. Power range 25 to 50 HP. Its lifting capacity is 1600 kg to 1800 kg with dry brake. The last one is Aisha tractors. The price of the tractors we discuss in this video is different in state wise or model wise. So this is the top 5 tractors in India.